Understanding the 6 domains of resilience is key, but true change comes from doing. Our journey towards resilience requires us to act, test, learn, grow, and evolve. Simply put, we must transform knowledge into action. Think of the domains as ingredients for resilience. Each one serves a purpose and is important to the final product. When you thoughtfully consider how to prepare the ingredients together, you can create a recipe that will change your life. How much of each ingredient or domain you mix in is up to you. Just ensure that you incorporate them all. Developing your recipe for resilience will take some trial and error as you season to taste. It may even get a bit messy. But that's the reality and beauty of life. The domains are intended to be guides that help us make sense of the world. They're intertwined and most effective when combined. So as you create your unique recipe for resilience, remember to practice all 6 domains. Be mindful of how they can work together to improve your resiliency and your life. Discovering your recipe for resilience may feel like a challenge, but there's no better time to start cooking.